Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today it's a 15 minutes mobility routine practice accessible for all levels, and I'll propose also some variations. So all you need is your mat, and we'll start right away. You can find a comfortable seated position. It can be on your heels, it can be cross-legged seated, as you prefer. Close your eyes for a second with your hands on your laps and simply pay your attention to your breath. Couple of deep breaths through the nose, taking this opportunity to set an intention for today's class, or perhaps simply focusing on your breath, leaving away tensions, problems, all of those unnecessary thoughts. Inhale slowly, open your eyes. Good. So we'll start into hands and knees. And from here, let's start bringing our attention to our center. Okay, so first of all, let's do some very subtle movements of cat-cows. So inhale, arch your spine, look forward, and exhale around your back. Really small movements. Let's really focus on control here instead of pushing anything. And you can put a breath on the movement, of course, inhaling, looking forward, and exhaling, rounding the spine. And little by little, you can extend the movement a bit more. Acknowledging your own limits. And then with the next exhale around your spine, stay here and inhale here. So inhale, expand your own back, hold your breath at the top, and then exhale, release, arch your spine, look forward, and once again inhale, round your spine to the fullest, expand your own back, your shell, as much as you can, and exhale, release. Nice. Shake your hips left and right, and then inhale. Extend the left leg behind you and the right arm in front of you. Inhale here and exhale. Great. Now switch sides. And again, switch. And we change one last time. Great. Back to hands and knees. Bring your right hand behind your head. Inhale. Expand to the right and exhale. Right elbow, left hand. At your own rhythm here, follow your breath. Inhale and exhale. Great. Switch sides. Inhale, hands and knees. Bring your hands slightly forward. Tuck your toes and come into a downward dog. Pedal a bit your dog here. Extend one leg, then the other. Rise up your right leg towards the sky. Bend your right knee. Drop the right heel towards the left. and your gaze goes below your right armpit. Inhale, bring it back to center and step the right foot in between your hands. Drop your right knee to the floor. Inhale, low lunge. Bring both arms towards the sky. Nice. You can even interlace your fingers and bring them behind your head, making sure your elbows are pointing towards the sky. Exhale, come back, rise up your left knee, and this time inhale and rise into a high lunge. Exhale, bring your left knee to the floor, both hands to the side of the mat, and walk with your fingertips towards the front of your mat. Release your left foot and simply stay here. Inhale and exhale. Extend your right leg and come backwards with your hips. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, extend. Inhale forward. Exhale. Inhale forward. Good. Now rise up with your torso, and this time bring your left elbow outside of the right knee. Make a fist, cover it with your right hand, and twist. So inhale, I extend my spine, and exhale, I twist towards the right. And exhale, release, both hands to the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. So we did one side, now the other. So inhale, rise up, the left leg towards the sky. Bend the knee, drop the left heel towards the right, and your gaze goes below your left shoulder. Inhale, come back to center and step your left foot in between your hands. Drop the right knee to the floor and inhale for a low lunge. Exhale, both hands to the floor. Tuck your right toe. Elevate your right knee and inhale, high lunge. Good. Exhale, bring your right knee to the floor, your hands, and this time walk your hands forward. Nice, until your left armpit fits exactly on top of your left knee. Good. And from here, inhale, stay here, and exhale, bring your hips backwards and extend the left leg. In this case, when you extend it, your left foot can move and elevate on your heels, or it can simply stay to the ground. It's really up to you. You can even alternate the movements. Good. Back to center. Rise up with your torso. And this time, as we did earlier, right elbow outside of the left knee. Make a fist with the right hand Cover it on top with your left hand. Inhale, extend your spine, and exhale, stretch and twist. Exhale, release, and come back into downward dog. Pedal a bit your dog here. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, come to dog. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward dog with your knees bent. So press the ground away with your hands. Elevate your hips, bend your knees. Make sure you press the ground away. Good. And then from here, come to plank again. And drop down in Chaturanga. 3, 2, 1. And your entire body to the floor. Nice. So from here, bend both knees. Make sure you have your forehead touching the ground. And then, if this is accessible for you, you can grab both feet with your hands from the outside. Look forward and press your feet backwards so that your chest expands. And if this is not accessible for you, you can simply stay with your legs slightly elevated from the ground, with your knees almost touching the ground and your arms elevated, as am I showing now. Otherwise, you can grab your feet and expand the pose a bit more. Of course, breathe here, long inhales and exhale. Exhale, release slowly to the floor. Bring your hands just below your shoulder and come into Sphinx pose. So bring your forearms in front of you and press the floor away. Exhale, release. And then slowly come back to a downward facing dog. Shake your head. No. Shake your head, yes. Walk your feet towards your hands and your hands towards your feet. Inhale, look forward, extend your legs. Exhale, bend your knees and fold. Now, one vertebra at a time, unroll your entire spine. Standing, nice. Inhale, rise up with both arms towards the sky. And exhale, release them. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now turn toward the camera, and what I'll ask you to do is really to shake a bit your body. So bend your knees, shake your wrists. You can even go side to side. Let your hands and arms be really loose here. I like to do this in the morning, perhaps after breakfast, to really make sure that our articulations are loose and avoid stiffness during the day. You can even rise up your hands. Nice. Come back to the front of the mat. Inhale, rise up both hands towards the sky. Exhale. Palm of your hands touching and fold forward. Inhale, look forward, and simply come into Malasana, and then we can meet seated. Oof. And sometimes the transition can be a bit tricky in terms of balance. So we'll finish the practice with a forward fold. So if you're familiar with forward fold, you can simply extend your legs. Otherwise, I invite you to bend your knees a lot. Extend your spine, make sure you're sitting on your sitting bones, and if this is not accessible, you can also elevate a bit your pose, perhaps folding your mat. And from here, inhale, extend your arms up. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, so avoid rounding your spine from now. And from there, bring your legs forward as much as you can, but of course, avoid rounding your spine in this phase. Make sure you have a straight spine. And pay attention to your breath. So with each inhale, I extend the spine, and each exhale, I fold a bit more. And then, if you managed to fold quite a bit, then you can also round your spine, but just for the last part of the pose. So just to make sure you understand, if you're sitting this way or in this way, you don't need to round the spine. The exercise is really on the fold of the hips rather than about rounding the spine to touch our toes. Inhale and exhale. One last breath. And then slowly come back to seated and come into whatever variation of the seated pose you prefer. It can be crossed leg, it can be Sukhasana. From here, simply find your center with your eyes closed. Pay attention to your breath. You can bring your hands in prayer mode in front of you. Thank you, friends, for joining. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Feel free to subscribe if you didn't already, and share the channel with whoever might enjoy those kind of practices. Thank you. Have a great day. Namaste. Ciao.